Hi, I am Belk, and in this video I will show you how to use only your phone to study anything, anywhere, super fast. You just go in the app Voovo, tap on the plus icon and then flashcards, and then let's say you want to first create flashcards from this paragraph right here. Just take a photo, crop it to the right size, and use AI to create flashcards automatically from this very text. It's going to give you a couple of options, as you can see, but you just choose the ones that you like the best and save them. But then if you want to create flashcards and quizzes from diagrams like this, for example, the only thing you have to do is to create a photo, and then as you can see, it automatically found all the information on it that are important, and then you can just select all and create flashcards automatically. Or if you want to create flashcards from definitions, you can just step here, take a photo of the definition, crop it to the right size, and choose fill in the blank this time. Tap on the words you want to hide, save them, and start the study session with all of your flashcards inside. As you can see, all of the flashcards have been created here. Now you just tap on start a study session and then quiz spaced repetition, and all of the quizzes are being generated for you automatically. So the first question would be, how are tunnels formed in a bone? Let's do C. I was wrong there. Now it's a fill in the blank, the ones that we started before. Epiphyseal growth, it would be metaphysis. The second one I missed. And now the diagram. I got the second one right, but the rest I missed. So if you like this video, hit the like below and use Voovo for your studies.